Now class third C. Class third C. Subject JC. Date 15 2021. Lesson 17. The moon and its phases. Lesson 17. The moon and its phases. Worksheet. Worksheet 17. In this work 17 we have completed. Fill in the blanks and take the right answer. Now C, answer the following. Now C. Answer the following. Number 1. What is full moon? So, the fully lighted moon is called full moon. Fully lighted moon is called full moon. Now second question, what are phases of the moon? What are the phases of the moon? So we see the lighted part of the moon in the different sizes every day. We see the lighted part of the moon we see the lighted part of the moon in a different size, in a different size every day. The different sizes are the different sizes are the different sizes of the lighted part, the different sizes of the lighted part of the moon are called phases of the moon. Phases of the moon. After writing this sensor, you have to draw the diagram which is given page number 91. Faces of the moon. This diagram you have to draw. After writing the sensor, you have to draw this diagram. Faces of the moon, which is given on page number 91. So now after second question, now third, differentiate between a waning moon and waxing moon. Differentiate between a waning moon and waxing moon. So third, we can write the third question. Differentiate between a waning moon and the waxing moon. Waning moon. Decreasing of the. So this is third question. Decreasing of the decreasing of the lighted part of the moon is called waning moon. Is called waning moon. While increasing of the increasing of the lighted part of the moon is called waxing moon. So third question, you see, decreasing of the lighted part of the moon is called waxing moon, while increasing of the lighted part of the moon is called waxing moon. So this is the difference between in waning moon decreasing means full moon ultimately converted into the new moon. In the waning moon, a full moon ultimately converted into the new moon, while in waxing moon, a new moon is ultimately converted into the full moon. So in this way, we can write the difference between the waning moon and the waxing moon. Now, fourth, what are the huge holes on the surface of the moon called? what are the huge holes on the surface of the moon called? Four, the huge holes, the huge holes on the huge holes on the surface of the moon are called craters. The huge holes on the surface of the moon are called craters. Now see the last question. Fifth, the moon has no light of its own, then how does it shine? It shines by reflecting sunlight. So the moon has no light, the moon has no light of its own. It shines by a reflection of sun's light. It shines by reflection of sunlight. Reflection of so the moon has no light. Two times I written, but the moon has no light of its own. It shines by reflection of sunlight. So that's all. Thank you for today. Next day we will start the revision. So